If you are sick of rice that's mushy or hard and crunchy, you've been making rice the wrong way. I'm going to show you how to make perfect Instant Pot rice today. This rice is going to be soft and chewy and perfectly cooked. It won't be mushy, it won't be chewy, it's going to be perfect. Hey guys, I'm Kristen from A Mindful Mom, and I get into the kitchen and share with you easy recipes your family will love. Today, I'm going to be sharing with you how to make perfect Instant Pot rice. This recipe is so easy, it's a staple in my kitchen. It needs to be a staple in your kitchen. And it's so easy, but it's easy to mess up. So let me walk you through this process. The first thing you need to do is rinse your rice. Please, I am begging you, rinse your rice well. This will prevent your rice from being mushy. You're going to remove that outer layer of starch that causes the rice to stick together, get clumpy and mushy. And we want to get rid of it. So place your rice in a mesh strainer and rinse really well. Make sure that you rinse every grain of rice. Once your rice has been rinsed, add it to your Instant Pot. Today I'm cooking 2 cups of rice. For every cup of rice, you want to use an equal amount of water or vegetable or chicken stock. I know on the stove you use 1 1/4 cup of liquid to 1 cup of rice, or 1 1/2 cup of liquid to 1 cup rice. The Instant Pot seals in all of the moisture, so we just need 1 to 1. So easy to remember. You're just going to use 1 cup of rice, 1 cup of water. 2 cups of rice, 2 cups of water. You get the picture. For a 6-quart or a 3-quart Instant Pot, you can make a minimum of 1 cup rice. No problem. For an 8 or 10 quart, I recommend making at least 2 cups of rice. And if you have leftover, you can pop your rice in the freezer and pull it out for an easy fried rice recipe or to serve with Instant Pot sweet and sour chicken. Once your rice is in your Instant Pot, add in your liquid. Add in a pinch of salt if desired, and then use a wooden spoon to push down the grains of the rice until they're all submerged. Place your lid on your Instant Pot. Be sure your vent knob is pointed towards sealed, and then we're going to set our cook time. Now, for white rice, you only cook for 3 minutes on high pressure. For long grain brown rice, you're going to cook for 22 minutes on high pressure. And for short grain brown rice, you're going to cook for 24 minutes on high pressure. I know that seems backwards. Short grain, we cook a little bit longer than long grain, but trust me, it works. To set cook time, you're going to hit manual or pressure cook and then use the plus or minus buttons to adjust the time. I'm cooking long grain brown rice, so I'm going to set my cook time for 22 minutes. Once cook time has elapsed, let pressure release naturally. That's really important to finish cooking your rice perfectly and to let it absorb all the liquid in the Instant Pot. Once pressure has been released, open up your Instant Pot and do not be tempted to stir with a spoon. Instead, grab a fork and fluff up your rice. You can see that it's perfectly cooked. The grains all separate. You guys, this is perfect rice. It cooks it just as well as a rice cooker, so much better than on the stove. If you were like me, cooking rice on the stove was, it's hit or miss. Never hit or miss in the Instant Pot. For this Instant Pot rice recipe and more Instant Pot recipes, be sure to visit amindfulmom.com and happy cooking.